Aladdin. If you can wish 2 things for this year, what do you want to do? Have sisters go traveling? There is many things to wish, but I can wish 2 things for this year. I will wish these 2 things. My first wish is get an Apple phone. First, I can talk anytime to my mom or dad and friends, and I can play games to waste my free time. Also, I can make rooms to chat. Last, I can find many knowledge. My second wish is go to USA. First is eating USA's food like burgers or fish. And second is go to baseball field to get signs to baseball players. Last, I want to buy many goods like earrings or chocolates to give my friends. In conclusion, if I can wish 2 things in this year, I will wish to get Apple phone and go to USA. If you like this video, please click like. Thank you for listening to my speech.